The U.S. Supreme Court will begin its new term on Monday with a full slate of hearings that already includes high-profile cases on such issues as abortion, guns and religious liberty that could have far-reaching implications. The court has been asked to hear a number of other major cases that they still could decide to take up, including a challenge to Harvard University's affirmative action policy and a new request to overturn Texas' controversial near-total abortion ban, after the court already affirmed the law in a pre. In addition to the major cases the court hears oral arguments on, the Supreme Court also issues rulings through its shadow docket cases where the court makes a decision more quickly without hearing arguments and going through its normal months-long process, which has recently been used to issue its. For the cases that are part of the Supreme Court's oral argument schedule, the court won't issue decisions immediately after the case. Rulings typically come out months after the case is heard, though all decisions will be released by the time the court's term ends in late June. Whether this term will also be when liberal-leaning Justice Stephen Breyer announces his retirement, as a number of Democrats have demanded in order to ensure President Joe Biden can appoint his successor while Democrats control the Senate. The Supreme Court's term is getting underway as the conservative-leaning court has come under heavy criticism in recent weeks, particularly after the court let Texas abortion law remain in effect. The 5-4 decision ruled it was too soon to hear a challenge to the law, but did not consider the constitutionality of the law itself. Multiple recent polls have shown the court's approval rate has plummeted, and the court's 40% approval rating in a recent Gallup poll marked the lowest rating the court has received since the pollster started tracking the question in 2000. Four of the court's justices, Breyer, Amy Coney Barrett, Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito, have made comments in recent weeks hitting back at the court's critics and decrying the suggestion the court is subject to political bias as their decisions have increasingly come under attack. When a judge puts on that robe, he's not a junior league politician, Breyer said in a recent interview with The Washington Post, even as he acknowledged the court's connections with politics mean that's a pretty hard message to get across. Monday will be the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic